At Boulevard, every square foot is evolving into a statement of refined living. The structure now stands 96% complete, with external texture sculpting the facade and internal works progressing at 86%. The clubhouse too is steadily rising at 65%, soon to become the heart of this quiet, elevated life. Flooring has crossed 85%, while the roads and infrastructure are shaping up the pathways at 75%. With each passing day, Mokila's most distinctive villa enclave moves closer to the vision that it set out to become.